Welcome to today's detailed review of the 2025 Caterpillar Motor Grader G15. Known for its rugged performance, precise grading capabilities, and advanced technology, the G13 has set a new benchmark in the construction and infrastructure industry. In this comprehensive review, we'll take you through its design, features, performance, pricing, and safety elements. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Caterpillar Motor Grader G13 showcases a robust and modern design built for heavy-duty construction environments. The machine features a durable steel frame and reinforced components, ensuring long-lasting performance on challenging terrains. Its powerful blade and wide moldboard provide exceptional grading accuracy. Additionally, the G13 is equipped with advanced LED lighting for optimal visibility during night operations and low-light conditions. The large, easily accessible service doors offer convenient maintenance, reducing downtime on site. Caterpillar's signature yellow color and strong branding further emphasize its dominance in the motor grader market. Performance. When it comes to performance, the G13 stands out with a powerful engine that meets stringent emission standards while delivering exceptional torque and horsepower. The motor grader is powered by a mention engine specs if available engine, which offers smooth and efficient operations on various types of terrains. One of the key highlights of the G13 is its advanced hydraulic system, providing operators with precise blade control for accurate grading. The all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, even on slippery or uneven surfaces. Whether you're working on road construction, mining, or general grading projects, the G13 delivers unmatched versatility and performance. Caterpillar has also incorporated its cutting-edge grade control technology, which helps operators achieve precise results with minimal manual input. This not only boosts productivity but also reduces operational costs by minimizing rework. Interested in operator comfort? The 2025 G13 is designed with operator comfort and convenience in mind. The spacious and ergonomically designed cabin features adjustable seating, climate control, and intuitive control panels, allowing operators to work comfortably for long hours. Noise and vibration reduction technology further enhances the cabin environment, minimizing operator fatigue. The motor grader is also equipped with an advanced infotainment and diagnostic display that provides real-time machine performance data and maintenance alerts. This user-friendly interface makes it easier for operators to monitor the grader's status and make informed decisions. Price. The pricing for the 2025 Caterpillar Motor Grader G13 varies depending on customization options and regional factors. As of now, the estimated starting price is around $300,000 to $400,000. However, prices can increase with the addition of advanced features such as grade control technology, all-wheel drive, and specialized attachments. For fleet owners and businesses, Caterpillar offers financing options and flexible maintenance packages to help manage operational costs effectively. It's recommended to contact your local Caterpillar dealer for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing information. Safety features. Caterpillar has always prioritized safety, and the G13 is no exception. The motor grader comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features to protect both operators and on-site personnel. Safety features include 1. 360-degree visibility. The cabin is designed to provide operators with an unobstructed view of their surroundings, reducing the risk of accidents. 2. Rear-view camera. The integrated rear-view camera enhances visibility when reversing or maneuvering in tight spaces. 3. Advanced braking system. The G13 features a highly responsive braking system that ensures precise stopping power, even on steep slopes. 4. Operator presence detection system. This system prevents accidental machine movement when the operator is not in the seat, adding an extra layer of safety. 5. Rollover protection structure (ROPS). The cabin is reinforced with ROPS to protect operators in case of a rollover incident. 6. Emergency stop buttons. Strategically placed emergency stop buttons allow for quick and easy machine shutdown in case of an emergency. These safety features, combined with Caterpillar's commitment to operator training and support, make the G13 one of the safest motor graders in its class. Overall, in conclusion, the 2025 Caterpillar Motor Grader G13 is a top-of-the-line machine designed for demanding construction and grading projects. With its powerful performance, advanced technology, and focus on operator comfort and safety, the G13 offers exceptional value for contractors and fleet operators. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, or simply invest in a reliable and versatile motor grader, the Caterpillar G13 is a strong contender. With flexible financing options and a reputation for durability, it continues to be a preferred choice in the construction and heavy equipment industry.